Yo, it's me, The Boogeyman. Written by Barbara Park. Read by Josiah Crandall. Psst! Yo! Down here, under the bed. It's me, The Boogeyman. Yeah, you heard me, Sparky. It's the genuine, creepy-crawly, blood-tingling, spine-chilling, can't avoid the urge to grab your ankle when you're climbing into the sack Boogie Guy. And the news doesn't get any better, bud, 'cause I'm stew-spewing, gravel-chewing mad. Oh, quit your shivering, Cheez-Ix. It's not you who've got me fuming. Here, just take a look at this morning's headlines. The National Squealer, Evil Boogeyman Bellows Boo, Boy Scouts Go Berserk. The Boogeyman will get ya if ya don't watch out. That's a lie, I tell you. That lummox isn't me. I don't go clomping after campers like some bumbling, stumbling Frankenstein. And even if I did, I'd never stop and pose for pictures. I'd lose my job, Jake. Check it out. It's all right here on page 3 of my official Boogeyman contract.
The Boogeyman's identity must be protected at all cost. No one must ever gaze upon your face or, heaven forbid, take your picture. And, perish the thought, print it in the tabloids. If any of these calamities should occur, we, the management, regret to inform you that your services as the Boogeyman will no longer be required.
There, see? You've got to help me clear my name. The photo's a fake, a fib, a fraud! And here's another newsflash, Filbert. The Boogeyman doesn't say boo. Boo is a baby's word, bubby. It rhymes with toodaloo and Winnie the Pooh. And it comes right after Pika and right before hoo. And okay, maybe if you scream it really loud at a football game, it might mean the ref made a bad call. But no matter how you shout it, boo just ain't scary, Skippy. You want to know a scary word? I'll give you 5 of them. Go. Get. Ready. For. Bad! Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Especially if it's a dark and stormy night, and your PJs are in your closet all the way in the back. And, oh dearie me, your light bulb burnt out last night. But you fight your fear and head upstairs. Then you stop at the top and peer into the pitch black darkness of your room. You'd have to be insane to go in there. Am I right, Dwight? But suddenly, your dim-witted feet rush you across your rug and deposit you slab dab in front of your closet door, which swings open all by itself. Huh, that's odd. Still, you gather your courage and reach for the hook. And silly willy me, I've been waiting for you, Jack. And I tenderly tickle your arm with my finest fingernail. And you yell so loud and run so fast, you never hear me collapse on the closet floor and bust a gut full of giggles. Newsflash number 3. I don't bellow! Why, I rarely even raise my voice. I'm a professional, Peppy. I whisper and murmur and whoosh and swoosh and sail. And weather permitting, I even waft on warm summer winds. Which is why, my little whippersnapper, on that dark, moonless night last August, when dear old Dad left you all alone in your big backyard, looking for the Little Dipper, you heard just the faintest of sounds as I sneaked up behind you on marshmallow feet and fluttered my eyelashes close to your ear. Then that's when you sensed that you weren't all alone, and the hairs on your neck tried to stand up and run as your rockin' legs turned to jiggle jelly jam. And seriously, Seymour, don't you just hate it when that happens? Newsflash number 4. The boogeyman does not getcha. What does that even mean, getcha? If I gotcha, what would I do with ya? Where would I put ya? What would I feed ya? My job is to scare ya. I don't want to raise ya. So enough already with that getcha garbage. I'm not evil, Alvin. In fact, I'm not that different from you. I gobble up chicken fingers and gulp down gummy bears. And after eating, I almost always floss my tooth before slipping under someone's bed to catch a few Z's.
Which is exactly what I'm about to do now. All this belly aching's got me beat. Besides, excuse me,
I'm off duty and my cloak is at the cleaners. So, start spreading the word. That headline is hogwash. Oh, yeah, and kindly keep your smelly sweat socks off the floor. I'm allergic, okay? Just one whiff of those things and I'm out of here, dude. I start gasping and wheezing and choking and sneezing. Plus I break out in these itchy, splotchy, blue blotchy, so like I said, just keep them whoa. Whoa. Hold on a second, Sherlock. You're not taking off those socks now, are you? You are? But I thought we were pals, huh? Hey, you! Stop waving them around. What's gotten into you anyway? Wait, knock it off. Heck, not all those. I'm going to your sister's room. Psst. Yo, down here, under the bed. It's me, the boogeyman.